Hello everyone, welcome to Web3 Education and Investment. And so today in this video, I'm going to show you if you have multiple accounts in the ccvault, for example, how can you switch them when you connect to the Dapp? So I will take the minswap as an example. So this is a minswap. Right now I connect to one of my accounts. So I have actually two wallets here. And so if I simply just go to the top right, there's no option I can choose to actually switch to the other wallet. And so I could try to disconnect, and then when I come back and I connect it back again, it will automatically load to the same wallet. So you can see that the same wallet here. And so now how can you switch that? So for example, now I want this wallet to connect to the minswap, to that Dapp. And so in order to do that, the solution is here. You can check the Dapp account. And so sometimes the Dapp itself will allow you to switch the account. But the minswap right now, they don't provide that option. However, in the ccvault, you can see the option here called enable Dapp account. So what you can do is you can enable this Dapp account, and then you can go back to the, so you can go back to the original one to disable that. Sorry, I think we already enabled that, so let me disable. So I will enable here. So I will enable the other account. So you will notice the amount of ADA will be changed. So I need to refresh. So I'm going to refresh that. And then this time, if you check, the account is a new account, so it's different than the previous one. So the previously I connect to the account with 800 ADA, so this one with less ADA. So that's a way like how you can switch multiple accounts if you want to connect to the same Dapp. Okay, so that's all for today's video. So if you are new to this channel, this is Dr. Kao, and the special thing about this channel is I'm going to show you all the practical hands-on skills in the Web3 application and those Dapps, how to use those define. And so if you like that, please subscribe, and I hope I can make some new friends here. Thanks for watching.